Hello and welcome to Gardening Naturally with Green Fingertips. Today I'd like to talk to you about growing mint. Here I've got a concrete trough which I've got some crocks in the bottom to help with drainage, and I am filling with multi-purpose compost. Now mint doesn't need good soil. It doesn't particularly like clay or claggy wet soil, but it can grow in like really naff soil, so that's fine. So here I've got multi-purpose. I am planting these root cuttings that I've taken previously, and I will link the video at the end to show you how to do those yourself. And I'm spreading these mint plants out in the trough, but they will fill it very quickly. Once you've planted the mint, you give them a good old watering, and then it lets all the roots and everything all establish, and it gets them going. After watering them in, I give them a prune. So I take the tops of the plants out, so it allows the plant to create new shoots and bush out a bit, just to help them fill out rather than just going bolting upright. So it just helps to fill the trough. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Click the bell notification to be told when my videos come out each week. And I will see you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.